Hey guys, welcome to another video of the test route of Isleworth Test Centre. So today we are going to start from the Isleworth Test Centre. As we get out of this road, which is Fleming Way, we get out of this road and we turn right at the end of the road. Make sure whenever you stop at the stopping line so your view is more clear from the left and right. So we turn right on this road and it's a 20 speed limit road. And we carry on this road. It's Whitton Road. Sorry, the weather is really bad today, but it's okay until you can see properly where we are going. So we carry on ahead. As you can see, there are lots of speed bumps, and make sure that you keep an eye on the speed humps, and also make sure that you slow down before the speed humps, as the reason for the speed humps is to slow you down. So the examiner will keep an eye on you, that if you're not slowing down and making him jump again and again on the speed hump, that's not going to feel very, very nice. So now we're approaching the end of the road. From the traffic light, you are going to turn right. Actually, it's me who's going to turn right. So I'm going to turn right from this traffic light. As soon as we turn right on this traffic light, the speed limit has changed to 30. So we carry on ahead, and it is Twickenham Road. It's a very long road, so let's make it a little faster here. So you just keep following the road to the next big roundabout. And the next big roundabout, that is a roundabout without traffic. It's not a traffic control roundabout, so there are no traffic lights. So you need to judge the traffic coming from the right-hand side. Of course, because the traffic coming from the right-hand side have the priority, or whoever is already inside the roundabout. So now we got the opportunity, and we are going to take the third exit to the right. So make sure you take the opportunity and not the chance. It's better safe than sorry. So we take the third exit. After the second exit, we always try to move to the left lane and then carry on. This road is a 40 speed limit road, and it's Chertsey Road. So now we are approaching another big roundabout. On this roundabout, we are again going to take the second exit ahead. So over here, there is a little confusion. Actually, not a confusion. If you know this road, it's going to be very easy for you. So the left lane is going to split into two lanes. So the very left-hand side is left turning only. So when you get to the end of this lane, make sure you position your car a little to the right of the lane so you can carry on ahead. Because if you end up going into the very left lane, and if you carry on ahead, you are going to get a serious mistake. So if you accidentally get to a left turning lane only, make sure you turn left, as that's not going to be counted as a mistake. But if you carry on ahead from a left turning lane, that is going to count as a mistake. So you can see the arrow, the left only. Now we are going to go ahead, second exit. This is again 40 speed limit, and I think we should make it a little faster. Yep, boom, 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 and we are getting closer to the next big roundabout. So on the next roundabout, we have already moved our car over to the right hand lane, because from the next roundabout we are going to turn right, third exit. So as you can see, make sure you never miss any signboards because it tells you everything. It helps you actually driving. So now this is the roundabout and we are taking the third exit to the right. So we stick to the very right lane, and after the second exit you're going to try to move to the very left so you get closer to your exit. That's actually the rule of the roundabout. So carry on. As you can see, now we are first exit, this is second exit, and now we move to the very left, and because this one is a traffic control, so we had to stop here, and then we start moving as soon as the traffic light is green. Can you see now easily we get into our exit and we stay on the left hand side, and this road is 20. So let's get going quickly because it's a very long road, and it's a road called Hospital Bridge Road. So we speed up. No, that's only the video which is speeding up, otherwise the speed limit here is 20, so be very careful, okay? Because not to make this video very long, I had to make it go a little faster. So zebra crossing, obviously you have to be very careful with the zebra crossings so you are aware of who is there. So now we are approaching a hill. Be very careful, never overtake anybody on a hill. And at the end of the road, we position our car to the right hand side. That's a right turning lane only. And then we are going to turn right. And this is Nelson Road. Carry on ahead, just follow the road ahead. It's again 20. Isleworth is actually quite a lot 20 speed limit roads. And they don't have very confusion on roundabout. They don't have very confusing roundabouts. I like their roundabouts. So we are approaching another roundabout now. At the roundabout, we are going to take the third exit to the right. It's a small roundabout, but then as soon as you turn right, that's their High Street. And as soon as you turn, there's going to be a zebra crossing. As you see there, there's a person standing there waiting, and a lot of time people actually don't see properly, don't look at them, and that's where you get a serious mistake. So we carry on ahead. Let's make it fast again. Carry on ahead. This is again very like a 20 road, and by the end of the road, when you approach to the end of the road, I'm going to turn left, and again you can see on the arrow on the ground that it's a left turning lane only. Now you can see the green arrow, and we can move now. We turn left and then carry on ahead, and we have a roundabout ahead of us now. On that roundabout, we will be taking the first exit to the left now. Let's carry on. I had to fast forward this video, otherwise it would be a 30 minutes video because the route is of course long, and we don't want you to sit here and keep watching a straight road for that long. So we carry on ahead. Now we're approaching our next roundabout. So on this roundabout, I'm gonna take the second exit ahead. So I stick to the left lane, carry on ahead. And now we are approaching another big roundabout. On this roundabout, I'm gonna turn left, first exit. So this is not a traffic controlled roundabout, so you have to be very careful because the right hand side have the priority. If nobody's coming, take your exit quickly. Make sure you're safe, you check your mirrors, also the left mirror, so maybe there's a cyclist beside you on the left hand side, you never know. So now this is a 20 road, but it's soon gonna change into a 30 road. So this is Twickenham Road and it's gonna change into 30. So carry on ahead. Let's speed up. Just follow the road ahead. Now from the traffic light, you're going to turn left because we are going back towards our Isleworth test center. And it's 20 again. So it's, as you saw guys, this is not a very difficult test center. It doesn't have very difficult test routes. But again, I would say test route has nothing to do with your driving. You need to drive good to pass your driving test. So now we are going to turn left in towards the test center, and that is the end of the test route. And now you see there's a lorry there, small truck you can say, and we had to back up a little bit to give him some space. So this was the test route, and if you like the video, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and also make sure that you don't forget to hit the like button and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. We will keep uploading more videos, so yes, let us know in the comment below what you think, and is there anything else you want us to cover. So until then, good luck with your test. Take care.